In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to complete the second step of the Weebly plan, which is to set global options. By default, this step will be set as completed because the options are set to default, but you can change the options to your liking. Click on step 2. The first option is to combine shipping costs. This means that the shipping cost will be included in the selling price of the product. So, if you turn on combined shipping, you need to turn off shipping costs in your BigCommerce store, otherwise you are overcharging your buyer. This allows you to mention that all your items have free shipping. However, if you do not combine shipping costs, then you need to display the shipping costs for all your products on your BigCommerce store. Let's say the price of an item is $10, and the shipping cost is $3. If you have combined shipping turned on, then the price of $13 will be pushed and displayed on your store for that item. However, if you have combined shipping turned off, then the price of $10 will be pushed to your store, and $10 will be displayed for that item. You will be responsible for showing and configuring the shipping cost, if combining shipping is turned off. The second setting is if you want to upload images of the product to your Weebly store. The third setting would be determining the sizes of the images. The recommended size is 500 by 500. If you choose original images, then the images will vary, because different suppliers provide different sized images. You can choose the unit of weight you are comfortable with. The upload retail setting allows your buyer to view the retail price and your selling price. This will allow your buyers to view how much money they are saving from purchasing from your store. For example, if the retail price is $59.99 and your selling price is $39.99, then this feature will tell your customer that they are saving 33% from purchasing from your store. You can choose to add titles and descriptions of products. You can also add brands to your store. And finally, the last option, you can choose to delete empty categories on your store. Once you configure everything by yourself, click on Save. After you configure everything, step 2 is done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.